Hello and welcome to the Dorchester. I'm going to give you a quick room of my room 303, which is a Belgravia suite. So, walking into the suite's living room, you've got a six-person dining table here. When you check in, your butlers are assigned to seats, ask you if you want a welcome drink, and I had a pot of English breakfast tea with some cookies, which seemed like an appropriate thing to order when you're in one of London's most established luxury grande hotels. So here is your minibar. Writing table over there, fancy Bang& Olufsen TV, and you can walk out to the balcony there. You can also walk out to it from the bedroom. So I'll show you the view in just a minute. Continuing on along the hallway, this is actually a connected room that you see there. This is the bedroom. Makeup or dressing table there. And let's take a look at the view. It's been a pretty horrific year weather-wise, but this is one of the first nice weeks of summer, so it's good timing to show you outside. This is a little pop-up garden they've got for summer again, and that is Hyde Park right behind those trees. That very busy street is Park Lane. Back into the bedroom. We've got another TV, as you can see. Then it's into the walk-in wardrobe. And here is the bathroom. So you've got your Japanese style toilet there with the electric gizmos, walk-in shower with the Dorchester collection's own brand toiletries, and here are your dual amenities with me in the mirror. So that's a quick tour of a Belgravia even category suite in the Dorchester Hotel in London.